Before understanding why police are corrupt, I will explain it with an example for registration of your complaint. If you had ever been to police station, you will understand and correlate how difficult it is to register an FIR. The reason is political in nature. The reason why it is difficult to register an FIR is because, ironically speaking, though police is for serving the public are the enemies of the police. I'll explain the logic why the common people, the public are the enemies of the police. For any job, promotion is based on performance. In a private world or in a government world, in a government jobs, promotion is based on performance. So what is the duty of the police? The duty of the police is to control the crime. So if he is performing better, there should be less crime in his jurisdiction. That is why sometimes they try to send you to another police station citing the reason of jurisdiction. So whenever you approach a police station to register a complaint into FIR, you find a lot of resistance because you're playing with his promotion, not with your problem. So therefore what they try to do is they try to settle your case by informing both the parties to come to the police station, trying to settle the matter, examining the evidence before registration of FIR. Though it is 100% illegal to talk about all these things or do all these things or examine the evidence or examine the witnesses, they run a mini court in the police station. If you had been to police station, you'll understand what I'm saying. And the SHO will be a mini judge. Everything is illegal. So why they do all these things? Why they show a lot of resistance to register an FIR? Because if an FIR is registered, listen carefully, if an FIR is registered, it means his performance is coming down. The more the number of FIRs, his senior will question him about his inefficiency, because more crime is in the market, in the society. So that means less performance. There is no fear of police in his jurisdiction. That is why more crime is occurring. This is the meaning of more number of FIRs. And what is the remedy for this? Settle the matter. Reject the FIR citing reasons. I made another video, kindly go through the reasons. Like civil in nature, lack of evidence. Though that video refers to how a police case is closed after registration of FIR, sometimes they take all these reasons prior to registration of FIR also. I hope you are understanding the logic behind not registering FIR. So inherently the problem is political in nature, and law itself is against the police. See, more the number of FIRs, less the performance. So they try to refuse to register an FIR. Though section 25 of the Evidence Act clearly says that confession to a police person is impermissible in evidence. After knowing that also, they try to take confessions from the accused, they try to take signatures on the papers, written, sometimes blank or sometimes not written, just to threaten the accused. This was written in the Evidence Act 150 years ago. Even during the time of British itself, police were enemies of the common public. Just understand, if you are going to police station and giving a complaint, then they think you are playing with his promotion. You did not come to police station with your problem. You came to grab his promotion, damage his promotion, damage his performance. This is what they think, as per my understanding. Though this is very commonly discussed in the police station, I am openly trying to explain it based on my understanding and my creativity why there is resistance to register an FIR. Though there are remedies for registration of FIR, you can go to magistrate directly, or you can go to High Court, or you can send a legal notice. There are a lot of remedies. The point here is why they are corrupt. They are corrupt because the system is like that. The system works against them. If there is a crime in the society, then their performance is coming down. So therefore, the only way is to settle the matter. It's good. It's for the larger good of the society. Also, settling the crime is a nice thing. But they use force. That is bad thing. They settle, but they use force and settle the matters. So this is an unfortunate thing. And now, coming to the last part, why they are corrupt. So they are corrupt because with that corruption, they purchase their promotions. That is the reason. So changes have to be brought in the law, and their performance should not be linked with the crime in the world. If there could be some law separating their performance and crime in the world, then we can see a better police, corruption-free police. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, kindly comment.